Hello, I will show you how to have a lot of space on your memory to your computer and or laptop. So, I start step 1. Start with this cleanup. All program accessories, system tools, and this cleanup. Wait for several minutes and you can check the box. And click OK and delete files. Now finish step 1. Start this cleanup. Now step 2. Go step 2. Go to control panel and click internet option. Just click and you can delete. Check the box and delete. You can check the box, checks all the box and click delete and wait for several minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. You can just wait. Now you can delete and press apply, open, and step 3. Step 3. This defragment. You can assist this same way as a disk cleanup, but select this defragmenter instead. Many programs allow you to schedule a time to do this application, but it takes several minutes or several hours depending on how much work is to be done. All program accessory, system tool, and this defragmenter. You can select your memory. And you can click defragment this. Just click it. Step 4. From the control panel, go to At the remove program, click the program and features, and remove program that you know are not using. Remove program that you know are not using. And for example, this, and just click the uninstall. Click the uninstall. Uninstall. Just click. And you finish step 4. Now let's start step 5. Consider using registry software, cleaner or repair program. There are many good ones out there, such as cleaner.com or registryfix.com. This will identify and repair problem within the registry. So I run the CC Cleaner. And just click run cleaner. Click run cleaner and just wait for loading wait. And if you finish loading, and registry scan for issues. Just wait. Wait for several seconds or 1 minute, and go to right side. Did your phone fix selected issues? Then click and no, and fix issue. Close. And step 6. The computer Windows slow down examination password turn off going to just follow my steps. Clear shortcut and right click on your computer icon. Right click on your computer icon and click properties, and did you see the performance information and tools? Then click add visual effects. You can choose your click adjust for best performance and apply and pass your laptop. Apply. Wait for loading and okay. step 7. Use Technol hard drive to store all music, files, and games. It can plug in USB with most computer and well saved by valuable space. For example, USB. Wait. For example, USB. Just store all music, photos, and games in your computer. USB. And last step, go to desktop. Go to desktop, press the right click on computer, press system properties, computer, configure, and make the Mac usage 1% and press OK. So, just follow my steps. Go to your desktop, right click on your computer icon and click properties and click left side on the system protection. Just click system protection. You can configure and max usage and you can see 1% and you can, for example, 190% and you can down for 1% and press apply and OK. Press OK and thank you for watching. Please like or subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.